Hello my friends, Leanna here. It's time for another Mask Monday. This is episode 3. If you remember last week, I told you about some masks that I had bought at Dollar General on the clearance aisle. So I thought I would try this hot spring sauna mask. It is self-heating, so that should be interesting. And once I get the mask on, then I will do my unboxing for my Allure Beauty Box. And I decided when I did the last video that I would put the mask on off camera because it took me a hot minute to get the mask on. But this is a liquid mask. It's not a sheet mask. And it's supposed to be self-heating, so I thought I would do it on camera just in case anything interesting happens so that y'all can laugh at me. So I have a little paddle so that I can get down in the little packet. It has kind of a minty smell to it. Hence maybe the mint leaves that she has on her eyes. It's supposed to have volcanic minerals in it. And it has chopped ginger, maybe that's what I'm smelling. Pumpkin, exfoliating bamboo. I don't tolerate hot things very well. Well, of course that's if I'm eating them, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. And it says to leave it on for 15 minutes and that it is non-drying, so I'm not sure what that means. Does that mean it won't dry out my skin or the mask doesn't dry while it's on your face? I'm going to cut it down a little further so I don't have to stick my little paddle so far down in there. Sure isn't a whole lot in there. I'm wondering if I should cut this part of it. Because, you know, if it's going to make me beautiful, I don't want to miss out on any of it. Oh, that's that is immediately warming. Ooh. Okay. Feels a little gritty too. Alright, so let's take the paddle. It's very thick and gooey. It does look like it has a little bit of grit in it. That is definitely heating up on my face. So I can see this is going to take me a minute, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the mask is on and I look like I have smeared carrot baby food all over my face and it's warm. It was really warm when I was putting it on, but the warmness is starting to go away and it does have some grit to it. So I will massage that in pretty good before I rinse it off. So I got my Allure Beauty Box today. I'm sure everybody knows about the Allure Beauty Box, but for those of you that don't, it's a beauty subscription box that comes every month. So the Allure Beauty Box is like $23 something a month. I believe it went up. I bought a year subscription right before the price went up. Lucky me. So I get it for like $16 a month. I paid for the whole year in advance. Comes with a little pamphlet that tells you what's in the box. The little descriptions on these are more like a little review than actually telling you about the product, but they do give you the MSRP of each product. So let's see what's in my April box. I have had to start and stop this video so many times because I kept getting interrupted. And look, the stuff is running down my face. My carrot juice is running down my face. This thing does not want to stay on my head. And hopefully that's the mask running down my face and not the skin, because, you know, it's heating. Okay, the first product in the box is this Akar Skin Restore Eye Serum. It retails for $85. It's supposed to be all natural. It has argan and jojoba oil in it, but it's supposed to be non-greasy. They also threw a little card in here about the oil. It says 7 steps to brighter eyes. So reduce puffiness, add protection. Don't forget the SPF. Smooth fine lines, lighten up, be gentle, renew and repair. The next product in the box is this face moisturizer, Maypilum face moisturizer. This retails for $49. This is 1 ounce. I don't know if this is a full size or a sample. This has hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and jojoba oil. It also has soothing colloidal oatmeal. That's interesting. And the next product is this little palette. This is a Chila La Vie, hopefully I'm saying that right, eyeshadow palette. It says it retails for $45. I'm assuming that this is a sample, surely, because nobody wants to pay $45 for this little palette. Let's open her up and see what it looks like. It's packaged nice. It's in a little bubble wrap. Look at how cute this little teeny palette is. Oh my goodness. Look at how cute that is. Super cute. The next thing in the box is this Aveda Botanical Repair Mask. This is for your hair, not a Mask Monday. I guess I could put it on my face. I'm assuming that this is a deluxe sample. The retail price is $44. Supposed to let it sit on your hair for a few minutes, detangle, so you comb it through, and then thoroughly rinse. Supposed to be good for curly hair. Intensive strengthening mask. Wonder if it'll help me keep this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, it looks like the arch in St. Louis. I mean, I am in Missouri. I am a hot mess today. But that's why you're here, right? It's to see Hot Mess Leanna. The next item in the box is this Cargo Swimmables Black Sea Eye Pencil. This retails for $18. Blah, blah, blah. Alrighty, moving on. Next is Mighty Patch. Hero Cosmetic Mighty Patch Duo. These are little pimple patches. $6.99 for 12. So this is a full size. There's 6 original for night and 6 invisible for the daytime. And I don't have a lot of pimples. I mean, every once in a blue moon I may get one. I can't get in it. It's taped. Okay, well there you go, Mighty Patch. So I don't know the value of my box because, I mean, how do you figure out the value of this little teeny eyeshadow palette sample, which is just so cute. Look how cute that is. I'm going to throw that in my makeup bag in my purse because, you know, later in the day when you notice that your makeup's wearing off, I mean, at that point it doesn't matter what you put on, right? Just throw something on. Alrighty, that's my April Allure box, and I mean, look at it. It's running down my neck. Yep, I think it's time to take this crap off. I'm gonna go wash it off, and I'll be right back. So there we go. I got all of the carrot baby food off my face. My face feels a little dry, actually. I don't think I cared much for that. I don't think that I will try that mask again. And if you're curious, I tried to wash the waterproof eyeliner off and it would not come off while I was washing my face. And my little silk thingy came off, so I had to grab one of these. I need to get me one of those fancy things y'all wear with the ears and the bows and all of that good stuff. So I'd like to remind everybody about the giveaway that I'm doing. It is in the very first Mask Monday video that I did. I will link that video up in the iCard. Make sure you go watch that video and follow the instructions in the video so that you know how to enter the giveaway. I'm giving away over $400 worth of products. It's a combination of makeup and skincare. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me spread carrot baby food juice volcanic stuff all over my face. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you liked this video, hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see you in the next Mask Monday video. Bye-bye. Christopher, here's your Mask Monday beauty tip. Go to Walmart and buy you a jar of Gerber pureed carrot baby food and slather it on your face, and then get the hair dryer and just blow on it to heat it up, and it'll make you beautiful. Mama loves you, boo.